Finally, Coco season is here. The movie we've been waiting for almost a year. Coco season. The movie that has all the stars, all the celebrities. Now the movie is in. I've watched the episode 1 and it's time to talk about it. Alright, so Coco season is a movie directed by Theophilus Amoabin. The story was also created by the same person, Theophilus Amoabin, and then it was produced by Kojo Inkansa. Coco season stars a lot of celebrities such as Medical, Stonebwoy, Kiddy, Familia, and a whole lot of them. There are other famous actors in there. We can talk about Pa George, we can talk about Mr. Beautiful, we can also talk about Kojo Inkansa himself. Now, let me talk about the things I like and the things I don't like about this particular movie. First, I'll just start with the positives, things I think that the movie communicated well. One is the opening scene, starting in a cocoa farm. Okay, it's a way to showcase the cocoa to the world. It's a way to showcase Ghana cocoa to the world, and then the processes that will go through to arrive at the cocoa seeds. So that is a credit to them. Another one is the fact said, and paying for I hear more TV so channel. I must have no faces number. You see, they brought back the faces of these old guys we've seen for a very long time. I'm talking about Pa George, Ejedu, and the rest. Okay, so to me that is a plus to the movie. Another one is the fact that the movie tried to advise us. In fact, the episode 1 advised us on selling of cocoa lands. Yes, so there is a scene where the chief met with Lewin, where they advised us on selling of cocoa lands, and then that is something I think we have to pay attention to, and I'll give that credit to the movie. Another one is the fact that the movie tried to inform us about the plight cocoa farmers go through, okay, where Coco Karachi gave money to a farmer who could not pay back all the money, even though he submitted all his produce to the Coco Karachi, but he couldn't pay back everything. To me, that is worrying. Okay, the farmers go through a lot, and the movie telling us that is, I think, is something great. We'll get to know about the problems the cocoa farmers are going through. I'm now going to look at the things I did not like about the episode 1 of Coco season. Episode 1 of every movie is supposed to be the pilot episode. The pilot episode is supposed to hook you. It's supposed to create attention. It's supposed to invite or attract more people to watch the subsequent episodes. However, with Coco season, the episode 1, to me, it didn't have a structure. After watching the movie, I actually did not know what the theme was about. Okay, in creating movies or series, the first episode should inform you more of the protagonist, more of the lead characters, more of the supporting characters. Okay, their needs, their wants, what is driving the story, the driving forces. That is what I'm saying. Point number 2 is the fact that the protagonist did not have a clear-cut role. The protagonist did not have a clear-cut role, so making a movie so boring because nothing is driving the protagonist. Aside that, I will just look at the editing aspect too. I realized that the editing was rushed. It was rushed in the sense that the editor just cuts from scene to scene, scene to scene, scene to scene, without paying attention to dialogue. You realize that someone is talking. The dialogue has not ended, then it cuts from that scene to another scene. It doesn't actually make you enjoy the movie. It doesn't bring the best out of it. It makes the movie boring if you begin to see things like that. Another one is the fact that the camera angles and camera movements were all stationary. All the shots were stationary. To me, for a movie to be more enjoyable, it has to do with the camera movements. It has to do with the camera angles. Okay, I was expecting to see a lot of dolly ins, dolly outs. I was expecting to see a lot of camera pans here and there, but they were all shot stationary. Okay, except the opening scenes or the overhead shots by the drone, except those ones. But other than that, all other scenes were shot stationary, which to me did not actually communicate the story. They didn't add any value to the story. But based on the first episode, which is supposed to be the pilot, the story did not state the theme. The theme of the story was not stated. The protagonist, okay, his driving forces, his needs and wants were not clearly stated. So we don't know actually what is driving the story. So it's just like watching any other short comedy by the roadside. Okay. Well, I noticed that the story tried to put out a lot of comedy in there, but the comedy scenes were not comic enough. Okay, they were not comic enough. I expected more from the producer, from the director, and then from the film crew as a whole. Alright, aside this, I think we have to just wait for the episode 2 so that we'll see what will happen. So if you've not watched this one, kindly go watch it and then let's see what will happen in episode 2. This channel, as I said, is dedicated to reviewing your favorite movies. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and then click on the bell icon down there so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you.